do medical research to save human lives and to prevent people suffering. A small but vital part of that involves the use of animals.
Can't we test them on cells and tissue culture and do computer modelling?
We already make good use of alternatives, and most research is now done in computers, cell cultures or human volunteers, but there are times when we still need to use animals because, for example, you can't study a beating heart in a test tube, you can't get your computer to cough.
But aren't animals different to people?
There are of course differences between humans and animals, but there are also remarkable similarities. We share, for example, over 90% of our genes just with a mouse, and many of the major biological systems in an animal, from digestion to the cardiovascular system, these work in the same way with humans.
Biomedical research has come a very long way in the last 50 to 100 years, and certainly animals have been a big part of that. And while I don't like to see animals in distress, or animals in pain, or animals die as a result of human deliberate actions, I think in controlled settings where every effort is made to be as humane as possible, I do appreciate those research efforts. From a personal standpoint, as a mother, I appreciate the research efforts that have gone into, pediatric medicine, for example. My own daughter was hospitalized for a few days and had to receive an IVIG treatment, which is where the patient gets immunoglobulin, additional immune support. And had she not received that support, she could have been sicker for longer or potentially passed away. And that, I'm sure that was directly linked to other species being used for research. So while I know it's hard to see animals be, in discomfort, I think that there are some gains to be made. I think we are able to create models. I think once we know a mechanism that exists in a living thing, whether it's a human or a non-human animal, I know that we can set up models in the computer, for example, that can help to predict what might happen given a certain circumstance and how the treatment might work. So there are other ways for us to do. I think a lot of it can be done in a petri dish. I think bacterial research can often yield a lot of interesting results. Positive results in the direction of like gene therapies, things like that. But certainly there's no substitute for a true mammalian model when it comes to doing research to benefit humans in the long run. So I think that there are other ways to do that research, but the mammalian model is still really good. Humans need to be willing to try investigational medications, and there are times when those can benefit them.